All right, so we're back. Let's go over question number 3. So here's the balanced equation for question number 3. And they gave us, and we have 0.48 moles of this guy. So 0.48 moles of P2O5. And we got 1.52 moles of H2O. 1.52 moles of H2O. All right, so from there what we're going to do is we've got to choose one of them. So let's choose this guy this time. All right, so we're going to choose the first one as our X. So that means we're going to use this, our bigger number. That's craziness. But so we got to use our ratio from the balanced equation, that 2 moles of P2O5 will combine with 6 moles of water. And then we go, well, I don't have 6 moles of water, I actually have 1.52 moles of water. And I want to find out X moles of P2O5 that's going to combine with. All right, so now cross multiply. X times 6 equals 2 times 1.52. Divide by 6, divide by 6. And X equals 0.52 moles of P2O5. Now, do I have 0.52 moles of that? Nope, I don't. I don't have that. Uh-oh, so that means this is my limiting reagent, isn't it? That's going to run out first. So I'm going to circle that. Now you know what's bad is? We chose the wrong one, didn't we? Because if that's my limiting reagent, I have to use this number in this calculation in order to do the next step. So I got to go back and redo this, don't I? That's all right. Okay. So we're going to get rid of this. I'll get rid of this side. And we'll get rid of X up here. Because now we're going to put X over here. So I got X moles of water that we got to calculate. All right, so P2O5, we only have 0.48 moles of P2O5. And we are trying to find out X moles of water that's going to combine with. So cross multiply it, 2 times X equals 6 times 0.48. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals 0.96. And that's moles of H2O. Oops, wait a minute. Did I do that right? Make sure I did. Yep, okay. Oh wait, no. Okay, that's why I'm like, that don't seem right. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong mathematical problem there. It's down at the bottom of my paper instead of the middle. Sorry. So the math on this would be 1.44. Sorry about that. Just making sure I got it right because I hate to show it to you wrong. All right. So if you do the math on this, you get 1.44. Do I have 1.44 moles of water? Yeah, I do. And I got some extra, don't I? Because I got 1.52. I only need 1.44. All right. So that still shows that this is my limiting reagent. So let's go to the second part of this. So now I'm going to take my 1.52 moles of H2O. And then I got to subtract. I really need 1.44 of it. Subtract those two. So you get, what's that turn out to be, about 0.8 or 0.08 moles of water excess. That's how much extra water I'm going to have left over, is that many moles. All right, now we go on to the last part, which is to find out how many moles of my product I'm going to make. And again, we got to use the number of the limiting reagent, so I got to use that one. So we're going to use that 2 moles of P2O5 will combine to make 4 moles of H3PO4. I know I'm standing in front of it. I'll move out of the way. So again, we're using 2 moles of this guy. We'll make 4 moles of this guy. That's what I have, 2 over 4. Then I go to that we have, my red marker, 0.48 moles of P2O5. And we want to know X moles of H3PO4 that'll make. All right, so from there, cross multiply. 2 times x equals 4 times 0.48. Divide by 2, divide by 2. And x is going to equal the number that I looked at. Oh, there goes my live. Hold on. Here's the number that I accidentally wrote down last time. 0.96. And that's moles of H3PO4. So that's how much product I'm going to make. All right. So that's the 3 answers for question number 3. All right. Now again, I hope you notice that the math is not really hard in this, but it's that whole idea of thinking this out as to what it means. All right. With that, we'll see you for the review in a little while. Have a great day.